Hey guys, it's Bethany Schneider here. I know I kind of look like a train wreck right now, but I have a small update, and I'll only upload two recent videos that I recorded, which is Kingdom Hearts Unchained Key and Gossip Girl. But I just want to say that as I was having dinner at my house with my grandparents, my mom's friends, and me, Dustin, and my mom, a hailstorm hit us. It hit. And it was scary. I almost screamed. I was almost about to cry because it was really freaking me out. And I don't like. No, I didn't. I have this fear of storms and hails and everything. It just scares the hell out of me. And it was bad. Our house is pretty damaged. There's like baseball hail sized hail to golf sized hail. It's nuts. Only one window is damaged in the living room. And there's like a bunch of hail outside, and there's water damage in the living room too. Only one, but it's still like up on the ceiling next to the fireplace. There's like a bit of some water seeping through the ceiling, and there's water damage. Not only that, my grandparents' car is damaged, and our rental truck that we're renting for a while until Mom gets a new one is also damaged too. So yeah. You can tell I'm a little bit shaken up, and my hair is not good. But most importantly, we're okay. We didn't get hurt. We kind of cowered in the kitchen for a little bit, but I'm hoping things will go out very well. I'm sure everything will be fixed by then. But right now, we're just cleaning up, making sure everything's okay, and on what we need to do. And I just need to relax because I'm just really frazzled. We're all pretty shook up because it was bad. This is something not to laugh about. Not really. But anyway, so those two videos will go up by tomorrow, and yeah. If you want to see like the actual photos, I actually posted it on my official Twitter. You could check that out in the link description below. And you can just go to my channel and then click the link on my channel art thing or wherever it is it could be. So go check it out if you like to see what how much damage has been done. I'll tell you a lot. Even though it's just one window, and yeah, the rest of the house is kind of like somewhat damaged because the hole was patched up on the ceiling, and now big hole. There's leaks in my mom's room too, and it's a mess. This is not what I pictured that my Monday need to be, really. But everything's okay. But the rest of the cul-de-sac, the side of the cul-de-sac, is got pretty much wiped. So gotta do what you gotta do. Gotta fix it. So I'm gonna sign off, and I'm probably gonna cry. No, I'm just gonna hug a pillow and just kind of do this for a while. But at least we're okay. No one got hurt. It was just a lot of scary damage, and it was just spooky. So anyway, thank you so much for watching this small update. Make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and always protect yourself. If there's like a hailstorm or you think there might be something going on, always protect yourself and your family with you. But make sure to stay away from windows if it's hail. Go barricade yourself in the bathroom or some basement if it's tornadoes. So, and yeah, any disaster, just take cover and be careful in any area, even Texas, because that's kind of where I live right now.